Greenville's this place that's so contemporary on one hand, and yet just a couple miles outside of town and you're at the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. When you walk down the street, people say hello to you and they don't look the other way like they do in a bigger city. It's a great place to be and a great place to live.
All right, we'll see you later.
I grew up in Long Island, New York, and every summer, Dad would get lobsters. I mean, we would have lobsters until we were just about sick of them. We could crack the shells open and getting our hands in them and dipping them in the butter. We used to have a lot of fun doing that kind of stuff. Sobeys is located right in the heart of downtown Greenville, South Carolina, and we're serving new Southern cuisine. Greenville definitely has the best things that a big city has with that small city feel. We're small enough that we can shut down our main street and actually do a farmer's market. This dish is a pan-roasted red snapper with seafood from our coast, which is only 3 hours away. Market vegetable sauté. It represents the first spring produce of this season. We have a lot of leisure activities. One of the most beautiful is Falls Park. Bicycling right through it and you're seeing waterfalls. We've got the Peace Center for Performing Arts, which has top name artists coming to sing. You could be driving down the road and all of a sudden there's this beautiful view of the mountains. Big thing if you're gonna be a chef for a living, you need those times where you can just be relaxed. I love that after a busy week, I can stroll along amongst trees and flowers blooming and the sunlight coming through. Everyone who lives here is very proud of it. You can hear it in their voice. There's a lot to be passionate about living in Greenville.